In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my 2024 luxury wish list. Yes, call it vain, useless. What are you talking about? There's more important things to talk about. Yes, indeed. In fact, when you're watching this video, most likely I have already posted my video where I talk about the 3 goals that you need to set right now for yourself to completely change your life. Definitely, there are more important things than just material things like bags and shoes and all of that. But hey, one can dream and make one's dreams a reality. And that is the way I think it. Hi, my name is Jackeline and I'm a luxury lover. Everything luxury from beauty, you call it makeup, fragrances, fashion, you name it. But hey, I have to work smart, not hard, in order to be able to purchase these products. But most important, more than anything, my priority in life is to have health, because without health, you have nothing. You have nada. The first thing that is on my wish list is a Cartier Panthère watch. Ideally in gold. I'm a person that loves gold. Gold earrings, gold necklace, gold jewelry. It is my thing. Although we all know that this year silver is coming strong, but as well as mixing metals. Now I have mixed metals in the past. I will say when I was very young, I used to use a lot of silver and gold. Then I had my little era of everything silver, and then I went back to gold because it's kind of my nature, gold. So ideally it will be an all gold watch, or I will be happy if it's the duotone of the stainless steel and the gold one too. I think that is super pretty. It's a little bit more casual, something that I can wear a little bit more in daily basis, because that's what I wanted for. I'm not so fond into having an Apple Watch. I have enough with technology, with having my phone pretty much at all times, that to have an Apple Watch, I feel that it could be just a little too much. And honestly, the Cartier Panthère watch is something that have been always on my wish list. The second item on my wish list is by Van Cleef & Arpels, and it is a gouache necklace in yellow gold. Simple, but I think the way that it reflects the light, even if it's, yes, I had been eyeing the one with the diamonds. I have also, given a thought to the ones with mother of pearl or the one that is onyx, but no, I think the yellow gold one, just one pendant, just calls my attention so much. It looks so delicate and so beautiful that I would love to add it to my jewelry collection. The third item that I would love to add is a Chanel classic flap in lambskin leather. I know, not a lot of you may be fond to lambskin. You will be like, oh my gosh, lambskin is so delicate. I do have a couple lambskin Chanel bags, and I love how supple they look, the way that they feel. They are just so beautiful, and I want it in the caramel color. And in fact, the upcoming Chanel collection that is launching in boutiques on January 25th, caramel, it's coming, and it's, oh my gosh, I'm just so tempted. I don't know if they have the classic flap the way that I wanted, I may pull the trigger on it, although the prices are insane. And yes, there has been a price increase. Once again, is it an excuse? Not at all. For what? Not even the hardware is gold plated, the leather is not better than before and whatnot. It's just the demand of it. So obviously, I can always look into the resale market, which I may go for, but there's nothing like the pleasure to actually go ahead and buy directly from the boutique. I don't know, there's just something about it that I love. But anyhow, yes, a classic flap, lambskin, the caramel color, either small or medium. I actually like a lot how the small size looks on my profile. The medium looks great too, but the small looks just more me. I'm very petite and the small looks great, but obviously the medium size, it's more roomy. That being said, if it's not a classic flap, which I will prefer, I may even consider doing a mini rectangular one. Those are very hard to find, but hey, you never know. If in this collection comes in, it's something that I may pull the trigger on. Now, going back into jewelry, I really want to get a Cartier Love bracelet, but the one that has the 4 diamonds. I feel that that's more me. I don't want a full pavé or, 10 diamonds love bracelet. No, but I think just those 4 little diamonds, it just brings a little bit of a spark on the bracelet that makes it look incredible, amazing. It looks so good. I have tried it with my Bulgari Serpentine bracelet, and it just, I don't know, it just complements so well the whole thing. I really love it and I really want it. Talking about Bulgari and the Serpentine bracelet, I really want to get the Serpentine Viper necklace. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Again, not pavé. It just have a few diamonds here and there. I think it just looks beyond beautiful. It's not a piece to wear it in a daily basis. Obviously, it's nothing of that, but it's a piece that I really want to add for those very special occasions. I think having at least 1 piece or 2 pieces that are just like so unique and special, it's something that, I don't know, it will just elevate my wardrobe. And I don't know, it's just something that I'm always thinking, okay, if I'm going to the wedding, if I'm going to a special occasion, I would love to wear my Bulgari Serpenti bracelet and the necklace. Well, this wish list will not be a wish list without talking about Hermes. And with them, I do have a wish list, more extensive than whatever I'm going to share with you, but I would really love to add a Birkin bag this 2024. And you see, I have been using bags alike to the Birkin in shape, but a lot bigger throughout the years. Now, I actually got this bag, which, it's a very close dupe to the Birkin in a 25 size, and I really enjoy it. It's smaller. I don't need to put so much in my bag as I used to before. When my kids were a lot younger, they were babies, I used to carry everything in my bag, I treat it like a diaper bag, a toy bag, a do-it-all bag. My agenda will go there. I mean, everything that I can pack, I will pack on my bags. And my bags were huge like this. I still have a few that I don't know, I should be donating them, honestly. But now that my life have changed, not that I don't have more responsibilities, I do have a ton of responsibilities and things to do on a daily basis, but my kids are not in that age anymore. They are not toddlers, they are not babies, so I'm not carrying their stuff as I used to before. And I feel like smaller bags are more aligned to my lifestyle, and I really love the Birkin style because it resembles a lot to my other bag. It's wide open in the middle. I can toss my stuff in there. It feels comfortable. I'm very used to use top handle bags without the strap. Sometimes the crossbody strap, to me, it's a little bit more casual at times. Not that I dislike them. I actually like them. I do have a mini top handle rectangular Chanel bag, and I really enjoy it, but at the same time, I really enjoy the look. Also, the 25 size from the Birkin. I would love to get it in gold on gold. So toggle leather, gold, which is that caramelly color, gold hardware, because typically that is, most of my jewelry is gold. And I know whether there's a trend right now or not regarding, the silver and whatnot. I know I'm a gold girl at heart. I mean, you know what I mean, so I know I will use it a lot more. I also like the return kind of a style too, that is a little bit more casual, that I can dress it up, dress it down. I mean, it always looks so classic, so beautiful. And I think it's just a bag that I really would love to have in my collection, that I would love to use and wear. Do I have another Birkin in my mind? Yes, I do have one. Well, I love, besides black, aside to caramels, I love everything that is white. So I love nata, cream, maybe, but I also love pink, pink bags. I love them. Now, I will not be opposed if they will offer me a bright color bag, say a red or a green or a yellow, depending on the bag. Obviously, I will consider it. I love aqua colors and whatnot, but a pink bag is also something I I actually love pink bags, but light pink. So I'm thinking about perhaps a pink Sakura bag with rose gold or gold hardware will be amazing. Or one of my dream bags. I have, not by Hermes, by other brand, an Ostrich bag, and it's actually one of my very favorite bags. So I'm thinking, well, it will be like amazing if one day I can get a Birkin, also 25, in Ostrich, in Terre, Cuite, also with, gold hardware. That will be another dream bag of mine. Hopefully it happens this year, because I like Hermes, the brand. I like their makeup. I do like some of their fragrances. I do love their shoes. They are really well made. I love other products by Hermes, but I don't want to buy anything that I'm not in love with. And that's something to me super important. If I'm not in love with something, I'm not going to buy it. So I know with Hermes, you have to have at least 1-to-1 ratio in order to get offer a bag. And good luck if it's the bag that is the bag of your dreams. You have to have that really amazing relationship with your SA. And also, you never know when your SA will be poof out of the company. They decide to, quit, go to another opportunity and whatnot. And then you have to kind of rebuild that relationship. And I know it's very, very hard, that at times, you may want to just go to the resale market and just get something pre-loved, which there are many that I trust. Like, for example, Redilux is one that I trust. This video is not sponsored by Redilux or anybody. I do have, though, with Redilux a discount code if you ever want to purchase something from them. I will be leaving, all those details on the description box below as per usual. But anyhow, I trust Redilux, Georgia, and Hunter. They are amazing to deal with. I have purchased a bag from them. Fantastic, no worries, is the real thing and whatnot. But yeah, there's some websites that I trust that perhaps I will feel inclined to buy a pre-loved Birkin. Ideally, I would like to get it directly from the boutique and get that experience, whether it's the boutique that I usually shop for, or matter of luck, if I get to France, to Paris, try to see if I can get a leather appointment. You never know, right? Also, that is very hard because there's thousands of people applying for a leather appointment, and if that happens or not is kind of luck, obviously. But anyhow, that I put it out there, I put it into the universe. I want a Birkin bag. That's what I would love to get. Now, talking about Hermes, there's also a jewelry piece that I had been eyeing that I don't know, I'm in between these or the Love bracelet by Cartier. It is the Hermes Kelly Cadenas bracelet, and I know there's another Cadenas. It's not that one. I'm sure I'm putting pictures somewhere here, but yeah, I actually tried it in boutique. It's so beautiful. One of the bracelets is full of diamonds, pavé, gorgeous. It does have the lock. It's called cadenas because it does have the chains that actually attach one to the other. It's super pretty, and it's so my style. It's something that, yes, I will see myself using it. But oh my gosh, it's uber expensive. So it's like, okay, yeah, I can spend that, but then I will have perhaps to even wait another year to beg for a Birkin bag. Can you hear me what I'm saying? Begging? We never should be begging for a bag, but you know what I mean. Like in that journey, waiting kind of game. So it is something that, yes, is a perhaps, but it's kind of like a contender with the Love bracelet from Cartier. Oh my gosh, crazy. Now, going back to bags, I have been really eyeing the Celine Dion bag. I think it's just so beautiful. Clean lines. I really like the box leather. You see, that's something that I will consider an Hermes Kelly if it was in the box leather black. That's why I'm thinking the one from Celine. I think it looks very classic. It has clean lines. It's practical too. I think it's just a beautiful bag. Another bag that I'm eyeing is that Chanel 22. And my friends, I do have my Chanel 22, my white one. I bought it I think it was, yeah, it was just launched, the first release of the Chanel 22. I love that bag. It's a total me bag. I have always been a girl of hobo bags. It is my style. So I have it in white, and I had been thinking to get one in black, but I'm waiting to see coming in caviar leather. Not because I don't like the one that I have, which is a pretty calfskin leather, but it's more than anything because I think it was the 23K collection. They came out with the mini Chanel 22s with caviar leather, both in pink and black, and it was a so black, meaning like the hardware was black and the pink version, the hardware was pink. And although I liked it, I wasn't fully in love with it because I would have preferred, I mean, that was just my preference, the gold hardware on the mini Chanel 22, but that leather, that caviar leather was incredible, was amazing. So I'm thinking, well, they already did it once, perhaps they will come back with caviar for the Chanel 22, and if that is the case, I would love to get it because you see, when it's black, it doesn't have the sheen that the calfskin has, and I think that's perhaps why some people, they feel like that Chanel 22, not the mini, looks like a trash bag because it has that little sheen to it, the way that it's been treated, the leather. While if it was caviar leather, it will be not super opaque, but you know, more subdued. And I don't know, I would love to see it in caviar. So that's what I'm thinking. That's what in the back of my mind. Now the Chanel 22 is gonna be a permanent bag, so we're gonna see it in every season with different colors and whatnot, and then from time to time they will have black, they will have white, you know, the typical colors from Chanel. So it is a bag that I'm thinking to get small size, not mini size, black, or actually caramel color. That will be amazing too because it will go again with every single thing that I use. And otherwise, a black one in a mini size, like the mini, that would be great too. So anyhow, these are the pieces of my wish list. Like I said, I have more items on my wish list, but I don't want to bore you. But it would be incredible if we can continue that conversation in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from you. Which things are on your wish list? I mean, like I said, we can dream and make one's dream a reality. Okay, my friends, I would love to hear from you. Which are those things that they are on your wish list, whether imaginary or not? I mean, whatever it is the case, let's just have fun in the comment section down below while you're at it. And if you haven't done so yet, guess what? I want to hit 100K subscribers this year. You can help me to do so. I had been begging for too low. First, it was like, oh, 1,000 subscribers. Then like, oh, let's get into 20K. Let's get into 21K, 23K on 2023. No. We need to go up high. 100K subscribers. That is my goal this year. So help me out, subscribe to my channel, make sure you ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. And to help me out and grow our family, well, share with family and friends. If you're on Instagram and TikTok, come and follow me there. If you like this video, obviously give it a thumbs up. If you're not done watching my content, I will be leaving a couple other videos at the end of the screen that I'm sure you're gonna love. Until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.